Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Equal parts suave and stout, this multitasking Silverado is a powerful personality. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, remote engine start, air conditioning, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Take it for a test drive today.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.